Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Today we are going to continue the last topic of chapter 4 of Business Studies of class 11th. The name of the topic which we are going to discuss in this class is Telecom Services. In my previous lecture, we have discussed different types of mail services offered by Post Office India. Now today we are going to discuss telecom services. So telecom services are the backbone of every business activity. In the absence of telecom services, every business activity will remain as a dream only. There are lots of development in convergence of telecom, IT, electronic and media industry worldwide. Government of India has developed telecom policy framework in 1999 and broadband policy in 2004 to release the dream and India's vision of becoming IT superpower by year 2025. So these are the basic 6 telecom services which we will going to discuss in this class just now. First is cellular mobile services. It includes all mobile telecom services including voice, non-voice, message, data services and PCU. They can provide direct interconnectivity with any type of telecom service provider. Second is radio paging services. It is an affordable means of communication. It transfers information to person even when they are mobile. It is a way of information broadcasting solution. Third is fixed line services. These are primarily connected through fiber optic cable laid across the country. They provide interconnectivity with other types of telecom services. Fourth, cable services. These are linkage and switch services within licensed area of operation to provide entertainment services. It includes two-way communication. One is voice data and other is information services. Offering services through the cable network would be similar to providing fixed services. Now the next is VSAT. The full form of VSAT is Very Small Aperture Terminal. VSAT is a satellite-based communication services. It offers business and government agencies a highly flexible and reliable communication solution in urban as well as rural area. VSAT offers reliable and uninterrupted services. It can be used to provide newspaper online, market rates and tele-education even in most remote area of our country. Now the last topic is DTH. DTH means direct to whom. We all are familiar with this term. It is a direct satellite based media services provided by cellular companies. To receive these services, one needs a small dish antenna and a set-top box. These services are provided by DTH service providers and consist of a bouquet of multiple channels. These channels can be viewed on television without being dependent on cable network provider. So these are the 6 telecom services, and once again just for your revision I would like to share information of mail services offered by post office. Basically there are also 6 services which are offered by mail services by post office. First is UPC under postal certificate. Second is registered post. Third is parcel post. Parcel post is a services for sending parcel through the post across the country as well as outside the country. This is the most economical way of sending the parcel. Fourth is speed post. It is a service to send an email as fast as possible. In this, the post office provides time-bound delivery of mail, letters and other documents. The charges of speed post are higher than the ordinary mail. Other courier services provided by private post office for providing desk-to-desk services, they are faster and more reliable. These services are comparatively cheaper than the service provided by the post office. And the last is other services which are provided by Post Office of India. Apart from these above mentioned services, many other services are provided by Post Office such as international money transfer and e-bill post facility. So student, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.